All right, we're back on Ryan's Corvette, and this is one of the last things to do, right?
So we say.
So we say.
So we say for now.
So what are you working on?
We're trying to get this wiper door to fit. When we bought the car, it didn't even have the piece. They use these wiper door mechanisms up until 72. This door will lift out of the way, your wipers come up. This whole grill covers it too, and none of it fits right. They all were all over the place, so we've been shimming this back. Had to retap and drill the holes on the wiper door to get the bolts in. The grill is split, and we're trying to see if we can weld and fix that. So it's just trying to adjust everything we can to make it fit this car.
After we put the new front end on, the hood didn't fit because the hood is the original. So we had to modify the hinges, and then the hood hit the wiper assembly. So there's only so much tolerance in this front end, right? So what we had to do is what Ryan said is shim this back. So if you want to come closer, Julian, and then Ryan can talk about that.
It bolts through to the firewall area, and we used they actually knew that this was a common issue. The factory made factory shims even back in the day for you to try and space this back, get you clearance for the hood. When we were still struggling to get clearance, I was looking up forums online. People are saying how they had to like rat tail out the slots to get even more adjustment. You know, it's something that all the early C3 owners are having to deal with, is making this stuff fit. And
so
it
never worked from factory, and it went up to 72 before they changed it, where the new hoods just covered the whole.
Yeah, it made them like 3 inches longer and kind of curled up, and then your wiper door or your wipers just came right behind it.
So it's a pretty janky system, but I think you almost got it.
Yeah.
So we'll see. So what are you building there for that?
Oh, they made like a factory bracket for this floating slot. All the other slots are part of the wiper mechanism. This was its own bracket, but given my fitment and the little split here, the grill kind of sags. So I'm making a nice strong bracket so that it can shim it up a little and get it nice and flush with the wiper door. Their factory brackets, again, were folded sheet metal, and I didn't think it'd be strong enough, and I didn't have it, so made my own here, and this is the last piece I'll need for it. It'll go underneath.
So we haven't tested the vacuum on this yet. Hopefully it will work when we're done.
Hopefully it works. They sell electric conversions if not, so you know, one way or the other, it's gonna move.
So if you could see here how close this is, so we need a bigger gap for when Ren paints this, that the paint doesn't scrape and chip off. And so we have to buy more space and get all our gaps really nice and straight for a good look. So cool.
Yeah,
that's about it.
Yeah, we're almost there.